Powering up your backlinks. Today I'm joined with Charles Floate and we're going to be talking about tier 2 backlinks or sending viral traffic through to your backlinks. Obviously, you've grown a huge agency with PressWiz, doing a lot of different guest posting and different types of links, entity stacking and stuff like that. But how important to start with is powering up the backlinks?
Well, number one, I think there's just a massive amount of money left on the table by link building agencies, clients, all of that kind of thing that are building links and then not doing anything after the fact, right? So you'll go and build a guest post, maybe even it might be a guest post on Forbes, you might even get featured in the New York Times, something along those lines. But it costs you a lot of money initially to acquire that link. And then after the fact, it's just left to kind of rot. You know what I mean? I think there's a massive amount of opportunity if you can make sure that those links are continually improving in power and improving in relevancy and improving in additional signals that can then go through to your website. So if over the course of 12 months, 18 months that you can build a couple of links, send some social signals, send traffic through to that link, it should be at least 100% more effective than just leaving it to kind of rot by itself. So there is two kind of factors though, where the traditional tier 2 link building, right now, most of the tier 2 link building that people are doing, it's just going to get neutralized. So it basically means that you're spamming a bunch of Web 2.0s and at this link, and all of those links, Google is just going to see that it's received 1,000 different Web 2.0 links in a week. It's just going to neutralize all of them. If you can be very coordinated and you can do things at the same time, so you can do the overlapping signals with traffic, with links, with social signals, and maybe internal signals as well, where you can get internal links back to your links as well. All of those kind of things should have a much, much, much bigger outsized effect than just building links by themselves.
Yeah, so if you're looking to power up your links, would you be only looking to power up your do follow backlinks, or would you also look to send some sort of viralities like an activation signal for the no follow links as well?
100%. You can activate no follow links and they can still pass juice. And bear in mind, I think it was 2018, Google made no follow a hint directive, which basically means that prior to that, no follow, no juice allowed, right? Nothing could pass through that link. But once it became a hint directive, it could actually allow juice to pass through that link. But you need to have reasons for it to be able to pass that juice in the first place. And most of the reasons are, does that link have links? Does it have social signals? Does it have internal links? Does it have traffic? Does it have all those things that we're going to try and throw at it to make it activate that no follow?
Yeah, for sure. And then with regards to powering up the links, so obviously if you've got tier 1 backlinks pointing through to your money site, and then you're looking to do these tier 2 links to power that tier 1 link up, are you bothered about relevance at tier 2, or are you just looking at power?
So we're mostly concerned with contextual relevance, which just means the surrounding text to the anchor text that is linking to our tier 1 needs to be relevant to the link itself. You can't just have a blog post about car washes and then link it to your pet guide, right? You need to have at least some level of the surrounding context. And in Google's patents, it's 25 words either side to make the actual link itself make sense and then thus pass that juice and relevancy onwards.
Well, Charles, it's been an absolute pleasure, and we hope you like the podcast series with regards to, well, there's a lot of different ones we're talking about with regards to how to rank in LLMs, the best SEO strategies. This one's about powering up your backlinks. Are you activating the true power of your backlink profile? Today I'm joined with Charles. It's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you.